Most cafe owners think marketing is about finding new customers, but a returning customer spends more, tips more, and tells more customers about you more than a first timer does. The most valuable thing you could build right now isn't just a bigger audience, it's a reason to have your customers come back. Today, we're going to work on your Square loyalty program and setting it up for your customers. I'm Jess, founder of Non-Techie HQ. If you have been watching the Startup Diaries for cafes, this is video 5 where we will be going over the Square loyalty. So Square loyalty is Square's loyalty plan where a customer comes in, they could give you their number at checkout, and Square tracks their visits and their spending. You have a program that's set by points. If they hit a threshold of 100 points, they can earn a reward like a free drink, a discount, whatever you decide. It's similar to some of the other reward systems like Starbucks, Burger King, or McDonald's. There's so many loyalty programs that we have nowadays that now Square allows you to have a loyalty program for your small business without you having to manually track this program. Now, Square Loyalty is a feature of the Square plans, so Square Plus and Square Premium, which are the paid plans. So if you're on the free plan right now, you can either upgrade with your 30-day free trial and utilize it, set it up, and start using it for your customers. Square Loyalty is already in your Square dashboard and is also integrated with your Square marketing. So you can send marketing with your Square Loyalty to your customers for recurring visits. So from your Square dashboard, we will go to customers and we will go to loyalty. Under loyalty, we have overview, reports, activity, marketing, promotions, tiers, and settings. We will start at overview. Here, since we are starting a new account, we can see a little information about our Square loyalty account. So it allows us to build repeat businesses and reward our customers. So repeat visits equal more sales. Sellers who use Square loyalty see a 40% increase in customer visit frequency. You're able to track your program, customer visits, and reward redemption in the loyalty dashboard. And there are no extra devices or hassle with your Square loyalty program. They can enroll and reward customers directly from the Square POS and from your websites. So we will click Get Started. So first, you can choose what you want it to be. You can do points, you can do stars, and you can choose a custom for your program. For this tutorial, we'll do points and we'll click Next. Now we have a program type. We can do an amount spent, we can do a visit based, we can do an item based, or a category based. They suggest an amount spent. You can set every time a customer spends however many dollars, they earn however many points. So it's currently set at $1, 1 point, and then you can set it to expire from 3 to 24 months. Once you choose your program type, you'll click Next. From here, we set up our reward. So you can create up to 15 rewards that your customers can earn. So here we have a $5 off an entire sale for 50 points. We could choose another reward and click our reward type. We could do a discount on an entire sale, discount on item in specific categories, discount on specific items, or a free item. We do a free item. We can select our items from our list here. You can add multiple items, and then you can set the points needed to earn this reward. From there, you have your reward display. So this is what your customer will see when they are looking to utilize their rewards. So you want to update this for your reward. If you wanted a discount on specific items, you could do your discount amount. You can have your item and then the points needed and then the reward display here. You can also do a percentage with a maximum discount. and have that here. Once you have those set, you'll click next. And now we have our review. We have our locations where we want this loyalty program to be, our rewards, our program type with our points expiring after 12 months, and then our unit name. Once we're satisfied with these options, we'll click Launch Program. Now we are able to set up a phone number for our customers. So this will allow you to complete a verification process for U.S. carriers. You'll be able to automatically text customers who are nearing or have earned rewards, centralize your loyalty and marketing communications with a distinct toll-free number, and you'll get 500 text messages per month and be able to send additional messages for $0.03 each. You can click Get Verified and you'll go through and put your information in and click Submit. It will give you a number for your toll-free. Now here, this is your loyalty account dashboard. You're able to see the steps of your loyalty program here, which is your congratulations, learning how to manage your program, how to promote and view your loyalty metrics. You can also add tiers to your program. You'll be able to see for your month the customer average spend, if it's a loyalty or non-loyalty, sales, how many customers that were visits by loyalty customers, new loyalty customers, and returning customers. You'll also get a report for your top customers, which you can view an additional report here and view the visits report in full here. You also get to see your redemptions in the bottom for your rewards and see the total of redemptions for the month. That is your loyalty dashboard. So next, in reports, you'll be able to see your visits, which this is your visits report, your sales reports, and your top customers report. Underneath reports is activity. And you're able to see a list of all activity within a certain time frame. And you can see account updates, points, rewards, claim promotions, or tier benefits. And underneath all activity is suspicious activity. So this will allow you to look and see if there are any items that you need to look at and make sure that all of your customers are getting a great experience with your business, and if there's any thresholds that you need to update on your end. Underneath that is marketing, and we have email. So we have email marketing where we have one-time campaigns and automated campaigns. In your automated campaigns, you are able to remind them about nearing a loyalty reward, remind about available rewards, and celebrate their loyalty anniversaries. With one-time campaigns, you're able to send out a campaign once that lets them know about your loyalty program, send an update to your loyalty subscribers, and announce a loyalty promotion. Underneath email is your text message marketing, which you're available to use after you get your toll-free number. So you have your automations of reminding near a loyalty reward, remind about available rewards, and celebrate customers' loyalty anniversaries. The one-time campaign is to just send a text message campaign to your loyalty subscribers. Next, under marketing is other, where you can have in-store marketing for loyalty enrollment and printable tables, and you have online marketing where you can share the link to your loyalty program so that your customers can check their status and enroll, which if you click view site, you're able to see what your customers will see when they visit. So you can sign up or check in. They are able to see their 1 point for their $1 spent and their rewards. Underneath marketing is promotions, loyalty promotions, ads for your business. So if you click create a promotion, you can have a boost for slow hours, a holiday special, item spotlight, category showcase, or create your own. With these, you will be able to utilize AI for your business to be able to create the promotion for your business. So we'll generate some of the information here. So here's your promotion where we have our AI symbol here where it says why this promotion, and it's set for a specific time, and it's a weekly recurring schedule to help build a consistent incentive for guests to plan visits around the featured item and extended duration, support stronger participation from customers with different routines. So it created the Brew and Bite Boost points boost where they are able to earn a 1.5 times points, and it has a start date and no end date. They have a schedule for a specific time, and then they're able to redeem it for at least one time a day, and then the eligibility of the sandwich. So then if I click launch, I have your promotion is now live. It's time to tell your customers, and I can send a text message campaign. I can also send a email campaign. So here's my loyalty promotions here that we can see is active. And then I can also see sales that are attributed to this item. So once we click back in, we'll see the promotion information, the eligible purchases, and then how it is performing in any marketing campaigns that were sent out with this promotion. Under promotion is tiers, and under tiers is where you can add up to 6 tiers for your business loyalty. So if you wanted to have the base tier of the earn 1 point and then $1, 1 point equals $1, then you can have a second tier that is like the gold, and you can have it set for a color, minimum points, multiplier points. They're able to be multiplied. So it's not 1 point, but it may be 2 or 3 points for this second tier. And then you can set it to either count points from the past 12 months. So all of the purchases that your customer has made over the last year, this will contribute to if they're moved to different tiers or not. So this allows you to build tier set of loyalty for your customers to where not everyone has to have the 1 point, but if they have been shopping with you for years, you're able to reward them more with their purchases. So that's how you can utilize this. So that's your tiers. Then under tiers, we have settings. Under settings, we have the locations that we have our loyalty program set. Our toll-free number, once we set that up, will be here. The terminology. If at any time you wanted to edit that, you could click edit and update it here, and it will update across the entire square. So you will be able to utilize stars, punches, anything of that nature automatically. Then you have your earning points here, your expiration date, and your eligible items and categories. Each edit button here allows you to edit each portion of this. Here are your redeeming rewards. You can add new rewards here, and you can add up to 15. To collect email addresses, you can offer points in return for customers' email addresses that allows you to market to them ongoing. So you could toggle that on and give them a boost of points. Points after purchase, if they had a transaction but they did not use their loyalty, you can toggle it on to be able to allow customers to claim their points after a transaction is completed. And then we have our suspicious activity. We have our suspicious activity alerts that are set on by default in a daily transaction limit of 5. We also have the loyalty program with the Cash App integration. So customers are allowed to track their loyalty status and activity from Cash App, which you can toggle off. And then Apple Wallet, you can have your loyalty passes set in your customer's Apple Wallet, which is toggled on. And you can have customers earn points via invoices. So if they were to receive an invoice for your business, they can also receive points for that too. You can toggle that on and off. And then we will click save for all changes. And you'll see under the change log here, we have the date, the time, and the employee's name. so that any changes that are made to your loyalty account is tracked under your change log so you know who has made changes to your account. So that is Square Loyalty. That is how you will create your loyalty program and send it to your customers to start making your customers return and get rewarded for their purchases in your business. If you have any questions, you can add them as comments below, and I would be happy to help.